everyone, and welcome to another TSW video. In today's video we are doing 7 Echo 64 Stalybridge to Healey Mills loaded oil in the 47-4 high intensity headlight version, and let's get started. Not that it matters on this route, but let's whack the AWS on. Change the brake timing before releasing them, which is what I think I did last time. Okay, just make sure I turn my mic on, because last time I didn't. Marker lights, desk lights, and it is quite late in the day, so if we don't actually put the key on, that might help. Forward, headlight switch. On overcharge, and the brakes releasing about there. I think that's us already. We're about to kick things off with a long ass tunnel. Is that where we end? Yes, so Murfield. Oh look, there's another freight train. Let's get a decent thumbnail while we have the chance. Oh, no, let's not do a bit of rotation. A bit of zoom in. A bit of brightness. And yeah, that looks much better. Yeah, you do need the BR heavy freight pack for this service. This isn't something that's included with the route. This is a separately sold DLC. Trying to slow let's turn the right cab light on. Okay. Because you can't notice it too much from this side. Not quite in the green yet. But the quicker we go, the quicker we can change that, so it's worth going in yellow just a bit. Yeah, just a bit more. Watch out, that's full beams there. Yeah. Yeah, I'd love to buy 47484, probably a sentence no one could have said, but just for substitution layers on some BR routes, because I played the BR stuff quite a lot. It would be quite nice to have, but then it doesn't really fit anywhere geographically so correctly, so yeah, well, I wouldn't buy it full price to get that straight out of the like 50% off or more. Yeah, I can see myself picking up for that price. Oh, we've got a tail lamp. Hello. Didn't know these had tail lamps. We'll probably be going a lot quicker if we went going down. Uphill, sorry. Stay on that line. Heck, we'll try and get the car up there. Or up there. I like how weathered the TEA wagons are though. Well, that's very cool. This far in the video, about 20 minutes in. Thank you so much for watching up to this point where I'm desperately trying to at least move in the right direction, which is difficult. Is it here that was quite I don't think they take him down, so I can get someone. ever get to the point where we need to slow down to 45, I think. Might go by, might have a bit of a gambling addiction. That's nice. Very screenshotable room. Oh yeah, we've just used photo modes. Controls are broken. Yeah, now we've used both horns. There we go. Yes, that is definitely a 40. Brightness. Yeah, it's a 40. It's the only train we've seen so far today. We're nearly at 50 miles an hour. I think it's 45. Changed for a while, but but when you're going to get going again. Oh, I better take that off now then. There's a hot air balloon. There it. I don't remember seeing that one here last time. Nice. Are they in a different place than each time? Right, brakes are off, let's go. Give it some welly because we're about to go up to 55. Let's give it some proper welly. Perfect. Miles. I don't think you can get that close to it. No. That is quite cool. I don't think it takes off or anything. Like 65 miles an hour. Whizzing along. Got Huddersfield not too soon, right? Huddersfield's a while away. Let me just take one of these cab lights off because it is a bit like, whoa. Not off the time here, both come on, so I don't think we've got any more time to go through. And we're being carried a little bit by downhill, but I'll put a bit of power on just to save us. Okay, now then, speeding. It's just really pushing us along. Just let us go. I'm not even a passenger train hold speed that well. But a train loaded with crap ton of oil can. This is mostly sure. Slightly staggered platforms. And this is straight line, slowing. Hey. Fair enough. What a pro. Okay, we're on the approach into Huddersfield now. Oh, the brakes are sensitive. Mind you, it would help if the power actually works, but hey. There we go, on the move again. No harm done. Saying that I did literally judge just then, but hey. Oh look, here's a 101. time are you leaving, sir? 20:55, so he's leaving in literally 2 minutes. Better clear the line for him then. I think we're running late. What time we do? Well, we're not. Is this line all uphill or is it all downhill? Because if it's all uphill, I'm going to cry. Because it would be a right struggle. I have 4 years there. So probably... And then here is where it will go 70. There. Gonna say, what is that? It's just the wiper arm. It's like a bat on the screen or something. I don't know at this point. What's that? That's a street light. You're doing a lot of work today, aren't you? Wait. No, I don't like it. Oh, get it off. Get it off. video. Thank you guys very much for watching. Right, this was that signal we have to stop by. Quite a bit of brake, so let's go full service brake. Let's bring it back to initial. Oh, sorry, let's put it on overcharge and put some throttle on. Although of course now the throttle's not doing anything. Yeah, that's alright. Let's bring it to a stop here. Yeah, thank you guys very much for watching. If you did enjoy, be sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time for some more Train City Wild. It's a good thing that wasn't a red signal. Goodbye for now. Nice gold medal.